happy Friday, whoop whoop, and welcome to Math with Mrs. Durham. Today is Friday, December 4th. Like I said, we're talking math, and we're going to be working on pages 37 and 38 on a worksheet that was sent home with you. It'll have the date at the top. The date's kind of hard to see, so I'll make sure to show you. But it is page 37 and 38 on the bottom of it. So before we start working on our worksheet, though, I want to talk really quick just to remind us that adding is amazing. But I want to remember that when we're adding things together, we know what the pieces are, okay? So, for example, let's practice a double. This is doubles week, man. We've been talking all about doubles and count-ons and practicing our addition. And you guys are getting very good at it. So, I want to talk about when I do, for example, 3 plus 3. What are these called? I'm putting two numbers together, but what are they called? It's not the pieces to the puzzle, but it's kind of like it. We have a part, right? A part. This is a part. This is a part. Think about it as I have two hands together, and if I put 3 on each one, this is a part, this is a part. And when I add them, they become together. They make a whole, right? So 3 plus 3, part, part, and when I put them together, they make a whole. So if I have 3 and 3, I have how many all together? What's my whole? So here's my part, here's my part. What is the whole answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is my whole. Okay, so we have our part, and when we put those together, they make a whole. When we put those parts together, it makes a whole. Okay? I wanted to make sure we went over that because it's great that we can add, but I wanted to just keep in mind why it works and that why do we get this answer all together? It's because we're putting the parts together to get a whole answer. All right, I'm going to jump over to the smartboard now, and I'm going to get out our page for today. You can get yours out too. All right, it looks just like this. It says sort at the top. I don't know if you remember Monday's video, if you watched it, but I did a very similar paper with the same kind of idea with sorting, but this has new doubles on it. So it is page 37, and that says it down in the bottom corner, but it has 2 frogs who are going to battle. Okay, so we're going to solve these doubles first and figure out kind of like our code, because remember we have to sort and match the letters with how the answers worked out. So we have to kind of solve these doubles first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have 2 3-leaf clovers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what double am I going to be doing? 3 plus 3. 3, because there's 1, 2, 3, and then there's 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 3. How many are all together? What's the answer to that double? 3 plus 3. We just solved it over on the board together. 6. All right, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Remember, our part and our part makes our whole. All right, our next double that we're looking at is 2 tic-tac-toe boards. Ooh, so you know how you like to play tic-tac-toe with X's and O's, right? Let's count how many squares there are on each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there's 2 of them. So we're going to do 9 and 9 together. This is kind of that tricky one we talked about earlier this week. It's a big number. You can always count them up together if you want to check your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. Gotta keep that in mind. So any doubles that we see that are 3 plus 3 equals 6, those are going to be the letter A. Any doubles that are 9 plus 9 equals 18 is going to be the letter B. Any other double problem, any other problem that is a double will be C. And any problem that's a count on, where it's not a double and we just count on, that'll be D. That's the same for Monday because that was a D too. Okay, let's get into our practice. The first one is 7 plus 7. Ooh, think about 2 weeks. 2 weeks, how many days are in 2 weeks? 14. Now, was that 3 plus 3 or 9 plus 9? No, that wasn't, but is it still a double problem? Yes, it is. So any other double is letter C. So we're going to write a C in our box because it is another double problem. It's not one of the ones that we solved, but it is still a double. All right, the next one is 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9. Ooh, we did it up here. 9 plus 9 equals 18. And since we did it up here, what letter is it? It's letter B. Because we solved it up above. Great job. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 2 plus 1. Okay, I don't see a double. Otherwise, it would be like 2 plus 2. It would be two of the same numbers. That's what a double is. So this must be, we're going to have to count on. So start with the bigger number 2, because 2 is bigger than 1. So let's say 2. Ready? 2, 3. We only had to clap one time because we only added 1. So the answer is 3. That was not 3 plus 3. That was not 9 plus 9. It wasn't a double. We did count on. So this is going to be letter D. Letter D goes in that box because we counted on. All right, and the last one says 9 plus 9 equals what? We just did that one there and there. 9 plus 9 equals 18. And that was letter B. Woohoo! Good job, you guys. Okay, I want you to pause me now. You finish this side of your paper, and then unpause me when you're ready for the back. We'll do a couple more, and then you will get to finish it on your own. You guys are doing amazing. How did that side go? Were you able to sort them out? How many different doubles did you find? I bet you found a lot. This side, when we solve doubles, we're going to count how many we had all together, okay? So on this side, this says easy ones, and he's got some ice cream. On this side, we're going to just add them up. You don't have to match this time, but some of them are up and down, which is okay, and some of them are horizontal, which is okay too. Either way works. It's the same problem no matter which way it's set up. But at the bottom of this one, it says, go back and circle all of the doubles on the on the page. I'm thinking about reading and maps this week. And then at the bottom it says, write how many. So you have to go back and count. How many doubles did you have? Okay? So that's kind of like your second challenge, is to go back, circle how many doubles you had, and then go back and count them all up. All right, we're going to solve just a couple together. I'm going to show you how to circle them, and then the rest is going to be up to you. At the very end of this video, though, I will give you the secret code for you to, number 1, check your work. I'm going to reveal the answers, and you can check all of your work. And then number 2, I'm going to tell you how many doubles there were and see if your answer matches mine. But try not to peek, and try to honestly leave the video paused until the end, okay? All right, 3 plus 3. Ooh, 3 plus 3. It's like the clover that we looked at. 3 plus 3 is 6. Whoops, that's a crazy 6. 6, and it is a double, so we're going to circle it because it was a double. 3 plus 8. Ooh, that is not a double, but I can count on. So 8 plus 3. I'm going to start with 8 because 8's the bigger number, so I'm going to clap 3 times. 8, 9, 10, 11. And I don't circle it because it's not a double. 5 plus 2. Another count on, so I'm going to start with 5 and clap 2 times because I'm adding 2. 5, 6, 7. Not a double? Don't circle it. Ooh, 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8. Can you remember what's 8 plus 8? 16. Yeah, 16. Good job, and that is a double, so we're going to circle it. All right, now here's the time. I'm going to have you pause the video, okay? Pause it right now, and when you finish this page, circle your doubles. And then when you are honestly finished with it, you can unpause it to check your answers. Maybe use something like a different color, like maybe use a red crayon. Actually, you don't have to use red. You could use purple. You could use blue. Anything that's a different color than your pencil. Like if it's not right, maybe put like a little X by it, or maybe fix your answer in that color. That would be a good idea. And then I'll give you the big reveal of how many doubles there were at the end, okay? So pause it now and then come back for the answers. Are you ready for the big reveal? Hopefully you are finished. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Voila! There we have it. There are all the answers, and I circled all the doubles. Whoa. And if you look at the bottom, there was 33 doubles. 33 of them. Wow. So go ahead and pause me because this will take a minute to look through all of my answers and to check your work, okay? Look through them all. Check them out. Wow. And then, like I said, if you need to change it, maybe just change it in a different color. So that way we can see that you changed it. Because it's always good to correct your work. You might be checking mine and maybe I made a mistake. I don't think I did. I did it pretty quick. But if I did, let me know. And check me too. Because sometimes you can count and you think you're right. But if you count fast, sometimes you mess up. So it's okay to go back and check your work. I'm kind of checking my work as I go through, and I look through it right now, just making sure that everything looks good. So go ahead and pause me while you check your work. But this is all I have for you guys today. But it's kind of a fun way to end a Friday to go through and kind of get to be your own teacher and get to go check through your work, right? So if you have any questions, you guys let me know. But I loved working on doubles with you this week. Thank you for working so hard and solving all these math problems. Look how many math problems you can solve. Wow. You guys are rock stars at this double stuff. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But I look forward to seeing your work and seeing how you checked it. I will see you guys soon. Bye. Have a great weekend. There's the work one more time if you have to pause it. Bye.